Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be finding some profitable wallet addresses to copy. I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can follow along the steps that I do to find these profitable wallet addresses. Now I'm going to show you a couple different ways to do it on GMGN.ai, and after you've got the wallet addresses, what you can do is you can either copy trade them with GMGN or you can follow them on the GMGN. And basically, when you follow them, you'll see every time these wallet addresses have bought into a new token or have sold a new token. And the intention behind this is, what I use it for, is trying to find as many Memecoin whale wallets as possible, follow them, and then it gives me an idea of what to invest into when I'm on GMGN. Now I can either copy trade them or just get in manually, but if I'm following a load of Memecoin whales right here and I see them get into the exact same token, if they all start buying in, then this is a great indicator to me that that token is going to perform quite well and that there's new volume coming into it. So I'm going to show you how to do it right now. All we need is GMGN and come to the trending section right here. So we want to be finding these trending tokens that have just gone live. So I know this Trump token was doing well because it was the official portrait of the 47th president or something like that. So when that news got announced, loads of people started investing into this one, and there was a decent amount of volume into it. So we're going to have a look at that, and then we're going to look at for some other AI coins as well. This AGI XT has performed stupidly in the last 13 hours. It's gone to 76.2 million market cap, which is absolutely insane. So what we're going to be doing there is finding the people who are buying in early to these AI agent tokens as well as just normal meme tokens. So let's go and first look at Trump. So there are a couple of ways to do it. Firstly, what I'm going to be doing is showing you the people that buy in straight away. So we want to be finding these early snipers, the people who bought in straight away. So there are two ways to do that. You can either go up to the top right and click on snipers, and then this will give you and show you how many people actually were sniping into this token. And usually I want to be finding the people who have either sold all or sold part of it. Now when you do it, all that you've got to do is just click on the wallet address, and it will take you to this section here, and it just gives you a brief rundown of the wallet. Now when you get the wallet, what you want to be looking for is you want to click on the 30-day win rate and have a look at the 30-day win rate. If it's higher than 70%, then I'd probably follow it and copy it. But if not, then it might not be worth looking at. But it's up to you. Because these are early snipers and you're trying to find the people who are sniping into these tokens early, you can follow it and then just have a look at it and see how it performs over time. But for copy trading, you want to be finding ones with a win rate that's higher than 70%. Now, another little feature as well, over in the distribution sector here. So if you find a good wallet address with a win rate that's higher than 70% and you're looking to copy trade it, what I'd suggest is look over to this distribution, the 500 section. If they've got a lot in the 0 to 200%, if they've got a lot of transactions here, then I'd suggest maybe copy trading it, because when you copy trading, you're just trying to build up your Solana bag. So all you want is those 2x plays really. And if they've got a load of 2x plays, like a high majority, and a low amount of -50 or 0 to -50 plays, then it's a great wallet address to copy. But for me, they're doing too many losses at this point for me to copy trade. So all I'm going to do is click follow just to add it to this following list. And then I'm moving on to the next one. We'll just go through, find a lot of these snipers in the sniper section and see how they're performing. So this person's also holding, they've not sold any of the token yet. You can always check these tokens as well. Now this is a great one. So this is a win rate of 100%. Now all you want to do as well, if they've got a win rate of 100%, go over to this section where it says holdings and then click unrealized. Because what you want to be doing is trying to see if they're holding tokens that are not performing well. Because there's some of them who have this win rate of 100%, what they can do is they'll hold tokens and not sell them off just to make the win rate look higher. But obviously he's obviously just holding a lot of tokens that are performing well. So this is a good wallet address to use. So you go through all the snipers section and just mark the ones out that are higher than 70%. Again, this one, win rate of 100%. We'll check the holdings, check the profit of a lot of them, see if they're negative in any. No. So yeah, that's another one that we can follow. So you get the gist. I would definitely go through all of these sniper entries, look at the win rates of them all, and this will just give you so many good wallet addresses that are snipers for you to copy. But there's another way as well. So if you want to go past the first 70 you bought in, because sometimes, especially the first 70 you buy in, they can sometimes be insider wallets. So if you look here, all of these are snipers, but they're fresh wallets. So that just essentially means that these have just been created and are probably owned by the same person, and they're probably sniping bots that are insider wallets. So scroll down past the snipers section. This is usually where you find some of the great wallets. And then what actually helps is just to find people who have a little tiny bit of a ranking or a number next to the name, or some sort of logo like Trojan or Photon or Bullex or GMGN here, just to sort of show that these are real wallet addresses and that you're using platforms very similar to platforms that we're using. So all you got to do is copy the wallet address or click on it, and it will take you to this section where you can then go to 30 days and check the win rate. So these people don't really have too much. So this wallet address doesn't really have a lot of transactions and doesn't invest all the time. You can still follow it, but I find that you really want to be finding, for the copy trading ones, people who have a lot of these 0 to 200, 200 to 500%, 500% distribution in the transactions here. So you get the gist. If you can do this with all of these trending tokens and go through and find all of these people who have bought in early, then you get how people can then be using this to buy into new tokens. So as you can see on the left side of my screen, so all these new wallet addresses that have just been copying, they're now buying into all of these new tokens. And now I'm going to show you some other ways on how to find these profitable wallet addresses. So you can either scroll down to the traders section or the holders section. And this is what I do. I go for the activity, look at the people who bought first, then I go to the traders, look through all the traders. And when I'm looking through the traders, I'm going over to this section here and clicking realized profit. So the people who have made the most profit so far on the token from selling, that is the people that come up at the top. So when I'm looking at this, I'm scrolling past and just looking at the 7-day win rate. If they've got a high 7-day win rate, then I'm looking to either follow these wallet addresses or copy it. Now, if you don't want to copy these wallet addresses, copy trade them, and you just want to have a list of loads of whale wallets who buy in early to these tokens and make a lot of money, then you can go ahead and ignore the win rate and just look at the people who've made the most, who have bought in the earliest, and the people that are holding the most. Because if you have a list of these in this following section right here, like I said before, it gives you a great idea of what to invest into. So if this person invested into Euphoria, this person invested into Euphoria, this person invested into Euphoria, it gives you an idea that there's going to be an upcoming pump and more people are going to be buying into the token. So however you want to use this method to trade with, the power of knowing what these whale wallets are investing into is the most important factor. But if you're trying to copy trade, scroll through and find the ones who have a 100% win rate or higher than 70%. This one might work as well. Higher than 50% sometimes it works as well. It's just you might need a bit of a higher Solana balance. And the only thing with the traders section here, you want to be ignoring these wallet addresses that are highlighted in red and that have this red exclamation mark next to it. This just means that they're a suspected insider and that multiple holders share the same creation with that wallet address. So, and then the other way to do it is clicking on holders. So when you click on holders, go over to this profit and loss section right here and then click this bit so that you see the ones that are highest at the start. Now, usually the top holder is going to be the token creator. If you scroll over these little icons on GMGN, it will tell you what they mean. So if you're unsure on anything, then just scroll over. This just means that they're the token creator and that they're a top holder. So this one is also a top holder. If we scroll over the wallet address and see how many transactions they don't have many transactions. So, I mean, they don't have much of a win rate. They have a lot of transactions. So this person probably just got lucky and, you know, we're investing into a lot of projects that are similar. Oh, here we go. Here's a good one as well. So we'll copy that. And once you've copied the wallet address, click on this section on another GMGN window, paste the wallet address in, click on it, and then you'll have access to this wallet address. Now it says they've got, so if you click here, it said they had a 7-day win rate of 80%, but then when you go to the 30-day win rate, it's 40%. So this is always, especially if you're copy trading, this is always the best to know, because they could invest into one token that blows up and get some $500,000, but if they have $500,000 in the bank account or $500,000 in the wallet address, for example, this person has 743 Sol, which is $162,000. So they've got a lot more money to invest into different projects and not really worry about it, because they've got more amount of Solana to invest into these tokens. So that's the only thing that you need to keep an eye out when copy trading, is that you just need to make sure that they've got a high win rate and they're not investing into loads of tokens that they're not really making much of a profit on. Whereas this person does seem like they're actually selling decent ones and not buying into too many rugs. But just always double check them. Always double check each of these tokens. Check how long check how many transactions they do as well. Because if these people do too many transactions in a day and you want to copy trade them, it's probably not worth it. Because if they do like 70 transactions in one day, then it could completely wipe out your copy trading account in one go. You can always, if you want to copy trade, you can always click max buy amount and then select the max amount of Solana that you want to invest into this wallet address, if you don't want to do the fixed buy amount. Thank you for watching this video. Hopefully this gives you an idea of how to find these great Memecoin whale wallets. If you want a list that gets updated every single week, full of Memecoin whale wallet addresses that have a high win rate and actually work copy trading, then all you have to do is click the link in our description below and sign up to our newsletter, and you will be sent a link to the list that gets updated every single week. Thank you for watching this video. Leave a like if you enjoyed it and subscribe for more trading content.